Hi there everyone. So I'm going to review this Emily in Paris camera phone case. I bought this from Amazon a month ago and it took almost more than a month to arrive, but that's fine because it looks gorgeous. It comes in this packaging and it comes with straps. So yeah, let me show you. So this is how the cover looks like. It looks so real. It makes you feel like you're actually holding a real camera. Can you see the details as well? Like the lens and the information written on the lens. You've also got over here the numbers, and what I like is this piece. This is usually where you put the microphone, or any external lighting on a real camera, so it looks so real. It's even the same size. So yeah, look at the knobs and you've got all these details. It's really nice and it's well made. If you can see the details. So when you hold your phone, this is how you're going to be holding it. This is from the back. And what I like is that it wasn't difficult to use the volume buttons. It's really easy to use. And the power button. And it's not hard to put your phone or remove it because this isn't like hard. It's like, I mean, it is solid, but it's not in a way where where it's not flexible. Like it's flexible. You can easily remove your phone and put it back in. It's not difficult. And it's just so cute. I've been trying this for a week and it was so easy to handle. I guess the only issue is that if you use a tripod, it would be very hard to put a tripod because of these pieces over here. But I mean, unless you put the tripod down here or up here, I guess that's the only issue. But in general, it's just so beautiful. It's so worth getting. And the quality is amazingly good. I didn't expect it to be this good. So yeah, it comes with straps to make you feel like you have a real camera. They're so easy to hook up. Let me try doing it here. It's kind of hard to not use both hands. Okay, let's try this way. So here's one, and let's do the other one. So you can even adjust the length of the strap if you want it longer or shorter. We've got this. See, it's really easy to install and it looks gorgeous. In Emily in Paris, she actually has the strap around her neck sometimes and wears it as a real camera. I don't see myself doing that, but it's really handy if you're busy holding a bunch of things and you just want to put your phone somewhere like around your neck or around your shoulder and you want to carry it. It's so pretty. And here it is if I shed some light so you can see the details. The texture here is amazing. Feels like a real camera, like those retro vintage cameras. So yeah, this is it for Emily in Paris camera. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.